Did you know that 85% of new products die within a single year? And yet somehow every brand thinks that they'll be the exception. If you've ever launched something new, you know this feeling pretty well. You're excited, and yet quietly slightly terrified that you just ordered a very expensive mistake. Because when you guess wrong, it's not just money, it's inventory waste, storage, team time, and most of all, goodwill goes out the window with your buyers. So here's what I, and our data, would suggest you do instead. Stop launching to people. Start building with them. There's a reason this works. People get attached to what they help create. It's called the IKEA effect. Except voting on a new product is way more fun than an Allen wrench and particle board. We watched a candle brand do this the smart way on magnetic. Before changing production, they tested scents, reclaimed jars, and found out whether people really cared about the pressed flowers that took them forever to hand make. Then they sent a tiny beta batch, in votive size, to their curated group on magnetic. Then they asked for feedback from the ones that loved them most. Too sweet, too much santal, too much vanilla, coconut, yes or no. Across programs like this, we see a 60 to 80% engagement rate. Maybe take out the "that's amazing." I don't know. That's unprecedented. Not views, not vibes, people actively raising their hand. Why? Because they love to be involved. They want to be a part of your process. They want to feel like their preferences actually matter to you. Here's a 3-step launch flow that you can steal right now. 1, send a small test drop to a curated group, kind of like Product Insights, but for people who already know, love, and buy from you. 2, run a feedback poll, multi-question, not a disappearing Instagram vote. 3, now this is the extra credit. Ask for UGC. Someone unboxing your product, maybe a snap of their first organic reaction, and then reward it, maybe with early access or a discount on the full-size drop when it comes out. This is how you climb what I like to call the loyalty ladder. First comes awareness, then conversion, then most people sort of stop at the transactional loyalty bucket. A coupon if you give us your birth date, a discount if you give us your email address. But the final boss is emotional loyalty, where people come back because they feel part of something. And if you're in retention, this is how you become the hero to both your customers and your internal teams. Because you're not just bringing buyers back, you are saving costly mistakes. You help decide what actually gets made while building that key emotional loyalty. Remember this for your next launch. Ask, what signal did we earn that proves people actually want this? If the answer is, I guess we'll see after the fact, then you're flying blind, and you don't have to. Discounts buy transactions. Co-creation not only buys devotion, but it becomes your all-seeing crystal ball.